हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है आज की वीडियो में। आज का हमारा ये क्वेश्चन है 25 टू द पावर एक्स माइनस 16 टू द पावर एक्स डिवाइडेड बाई 25 टू द पावर एक्स प्लस 20 टू द पावर एक्स इज इक्वल टू 1/5। हमारे पास ये क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है और हमारा क्वेश्चन है फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स। हमें एक्स का वैल्यू यहाँ पर से निकालना है। नाउ सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन। 25 को हम 5 टू द पावर स्क्वायर टू द पावर एक्स लिख सकते हैं, सेम एज 16 को हम 4 स्क्वायर टू द पावर एक्स, सेम एज डिनोमिनेटर, plus 20. Now 20 we can break as 2 to the power square 0.5. 2 to the power square is 4. 4 into 5 we get 25. We get 20, sorry, is equal to 1/5. Now we know that equation a to the power m to the whole power n, we can write it as a to the power n to the power m. So we can apply this rule here. 5 to the power x whole square minus 4 to the power x, this is x whole square, divided by 5 to the power x whole square, plus this x will be appear in both this term and this term. So for this term 2 to the power x whole square into 5 to the power x is equal to 1/5. Now let 5 to the power x is equal to a and 2 to the power x is equal to b. Put the value of those a and b in the above equation. We get a square minus, therefore 2x to the square is equal to b square. We can write it as 4x to the power b square. Okay, so now here b square to the power square divided by a square plus this b square into a is equal to 1/5. Okay, now cross multiply the equation. We get 5 a square minus b square to the power whole square is equal to, okay, 5. Now here this is the in the form of a square minus b square. We can separate it as a square, sorry, a plus b and a minus b. Take common from this, a is common, we get a plus b square. Okay, now these two terms will be cancelled out, a plus b square, a plus b square. Remaining this side is 5 a minus b square is equal to a. So we can open it, 5a square, 5a minus 5b square. We can take this a in the left hand side, so minus a is equal to 0. Okay, 5a minus a, you can write it as 4a minus 5b square is equal to 0, or 4a is equal to, we can take this in right side, so it will be appear in 5 plus sign, 5b square. Now put the value of a and b in this equation. We take a is equal to 5x, 5 to the power x, and b is equal to 2 to the power x. So write it here, a is equal to 5 to the power x and b is equal to 2 to the power x whole square. Write it as a to the power, a is equal to 5 to the power x, b to the power 2 to the power x. 4 into 5 to the power x is equal to 5. We can write it as 4 into x. Divide both side by 4 into 4 to the power x. 4 into 5 to the power x divided by 4 into 4 to the power x is equal to 5 into 4 to the power x divided by 4 into 4 to the power x. This term will be cancelled out and this term will be cancelled out. Now here is 5 to the power x and 4 divided by 4 to the power x is equal to 5 divided by 4. Therefore, if a to the power m divided by b to the power m, we can write it as a by b to the whole power m. Same is here, 5 to the power x and divided by 4 to the power x, we can write it as 5 by 4 to the power whole x is equal to 5 by 4, there is to the power 1. Base is same and the power is different. We can imply this equation as x is equal to 1, and this is the final value of x.